talk about suicide prevention. There's probably someone right now at this school thinking about killing himself, and it's not funny. You better take it serious, or he might actually do it.
I've been feeling sad, I've been being sad. Can't talk to my mom, don't even have a dad. I can't go on, what is living for? My heart screams,